Hey everyone, we're back again with another authentic Thai recipe direct from our restaurant kitchen in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today we're making Tom Leng, a spicy soup made with tender pork neck bones, slowly simmered until rich and flavorful. This version leans into tom yum flavors with galangal, lemongrass, and kaffir lime leaf for that classic sour kick, plus a generous handful of cut green chilies for serious heat. It's bold, sour, spicy comfort food, the kind of dish you'll find at Thai night markets, and today we're showing you how it's really done. Let's watch as Worawut cooks some now. Boil the pork neck bones in lightly salted water for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until the meat is very tender. Remove the bones from the soup stock and reserve about 2 cups of the liquid for the soup base. In another pot, start creating the soup base by bringing 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the tom yum herbs, including lemongrass, galangal, coriander roots, and shallot. Bring to a boil again, then add soy sauce, fish sauce, sugar, and other seasonings. Boil for about 5 minutes. Don't forget that you can now book private cooking lessons with our chef in Thailand, on either Zoom, FaceTime, or in person at our location in Chiang Mai. Visit chiangmaicookingschool.com for more info. Add hot chilies, kaffir lime leaves, culantro leaves, green onion, and lime juice. As the water boils away, add some of the soup stock that you have from cooking the bones and continue boiling. If you love Thai food but still have trouble saying the names of your favorite dishes, why not give ActiveThai.com a try? At ActiveThai, you can learn to read, write, and speak Thai. Try it out today for free. Turn off the heat. Arrange the soup bones in a large bowl. Serve by pouring the soup over them and garnish with cilantro leaves. At the table, set each person with individual soup bowls and plenty of rice. Now let's talk about the ingredients we used. About 1 kilogram of pork neck bones, enough so that each person can have at least 1 large piece. 1 stalk of lemongrass, cut into 1-inch pieces. 2 to 3 inches of galangal, cut into thick slices. 5 to 6 whole coriander roots with stems remaining. This is cilantro. 2 large shallots, quartered. 5 to 6 Thai hot chilies, both red and green, cut into small pieces, enough for about 2 tablespoons. 3 culantro leaves, cut into 1-inch pieces. Culantro is basically cilantro's louder, tougher cousin. The same flavor family, more intense, better suited to actually cooking rather than sprinkling on top. But we also used 1 stalk of cilantro, coriander leaf, cut as a garnish on the finished dish. 3 to 4 whole kaffir lime leaves, or at least 1 leaf per person. 1 green onion, top part only, cut into 1-inch pieces. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. 1 tablespoon of Thai light soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of Thai fish sauce. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of roti pork flavoring, and 1/4 teaspoon of MSG are often added for extra flavor, but you can skip them and it will still taste great. Our contact information, websites, social medias, and complete recipe library are available online. Just follow the links in the video description below. Thank you and enjoy!